Militer Rusia terus menggempur pertahanan Ukraina. Juru bicara militer Rusia, Letnan Jenderal Igor Konashenkov 12 Agustus memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina. Sebagai hasil operasi ofensif pasukan sekutu di dekat Soledar, kerugian Brigade Mekanik ke-14 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina berjumlah lebih dari 2.000 orang. Sisa-sisa personel brigade telah ditarik oleh komando Ukraina ke daerah yang aman, kata Igor Konashenkov. Sebagai hasil dari serangan presisi tinggi pasukan dirgantara Rusia, kerugian Brigade Infanteri bermotor ke-56 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina di dekat Opnoye dan Nevolskoye di Republik Rakyat Donetsk mengakibatkan kerugian hingga 70% personel. Semua personel Batalion Brigade 23 secara sukarela meninggalkan posisi mereka dan pergi ke belakang. Sebagai akibat dari serangan terkonsentrasi pada posisi tempur nasionalis Ukraina di dekat Marinka di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, Batalion ketiga dari Brigade Mekanik ke-66 kehilangan lebih dari 50% prajurit. Secara total 267 pesawat Ukraina dan 146 helikopter, 1.732 kendaraan udara tak berawak dieliminir sejak awal operasi. Juga 365 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 4.293 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 797 sistem roket peluncuran ganda, 3.290 artileri lapangan dan mortir, serta 4.844 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor Konashenkov dikutip Tribun Timur. Kubu Kiev Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 200 prajurit Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 43.200 prajurit Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia meninggal sejak awal konflik hingga hari ke-170. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky terus menghimbau solidaritas internasional untuk bersama-sama mengusir Rusia dari penduduknya di Ukraina. Zelensky berjanji merebut kembali wilayah yang dikuasai Rusia termasuk Crimea.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. As a result of the Allied forces' offensive operation near Soledar, the losses of Ukrainian armed forces 14th Mechanized Brigade have amounted to more than 2,000 people. The remnants of the brigade's personnel have been withdrawn by the Ukrainian command to the rear areas. As a result of high-precision strikes of the Russian aerospace forces, the losses of the Ukrainian 56th Motorized Infantry Brigade near Opotnoye and Nevelskoye in Donetsk People's Republic exceeded 70% of their manpower. All of the 23rd Brigade's battalion personnel had voluntarily abandoned their positions and gone to the rear. Russian aerospace forces' precision strike on a temporary deployment point of Ukrainian 28th Mechanized Brigade near Novogrigorievka in Nikolaev region has destroyed up to 100 fighters and 9 pieces of military equipment. As a result of concentrated strikes on combat positions of Ukrainian nationalists near Marinka in Donetsk People's Republic, the 3rd Battalion of the 66th Mechanized Brigade have sustained over 50% losses in manpower. In addition, as a result of hitting a stronghold of the 58th Motorized Infantry Brigade, up to 40 nationalists and 5 vehicles have been destroyed near Zaitsevo in Donetsk People's Republic. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 5 command posts have been hit, including the 4th Tank Brigade near Zaliman in Kharkov region, the 103rd Brigade of Territorial Defense near Nikolaevka in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 157 areas of manpower, weapons, military and special equipment concentration. 1 fuel depot for Ukrainian military equipment near Kurakhova in Donetsk People's Republic. 6 ammunition depots have been destroyed near Velikoye Artakovo in Nikolaev region, Zaliman in Kharkov region, Kramatorsk, Zaitsevo, Krasnogorovka and Avdiivka in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian aerospace forces have destroyed 1 US-made AN MPQ-64 counter-battery radar station supplied to the Kiev regime near Chasov Yar in Donetsk People's Republic. As part of counter-battery warfare, 4 platoons of Grad multiple launch rocket systems have been suppressed near Serebranka, Soledar in Donetsk People's Republic, Shirokoye and Velikaya Alexandrovka in Kherson region. In addition, 2 artillery platoons of Akatsiya guns and 4 platoons of D-30 howitzers have been hit at firing positions near Georgievka, Konstantinovka, Novgorodskoye, Veseloye, Andreevka and Dzerzhinsk in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have destroyed 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Yegorovka, Spartak in Donetsk People's Republic, and Arkhangelovka and Volkhov Yar in Kharkov region. In addition, 2 shells of HIMARS multiple rocket launchers near Novaya Kakhovka and 4 shells of Olha multiple rocket launchers near Chernobyevka in Kherson region have been shot down in the air. In total, 267 Ukrainian airplanes and 146 helicopters, 1,732 unmanned aerial vehicles, 365 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,293 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 797 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,290 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,844 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.